Jasmine Jasudavicius is going to fight Priscilla Zombie Girl Cachoeira. Zombie Girl is 5'10", 65 inches of reach out of Rio de Janeiro. One of the toughest chicas I've ever seen. She recently lost to Miranda Maverick, lost to Jillian Robertson, defeated Ariane Lipski, Kim Ji-yeon, but also was better than Shana Dobson and Gina Mazangi. She's always looking for the finish. But I like to call Jasmine Jasudavicius 5'10", 68 inches of reach. I like to call her a female Marvin Vettori. She can take a beating also, so this is the clash between two zombies. Jasudavicius has better freestyle wrestling and better control on the ground, as she comes from that type of sport. So I believe Jasudavicius is going to win if she's able to drag the fight to the ground. If the fight stays standing, we've seen improvement in Jasudavicius boxing, but the only problem is the fact that Cachoeira boxes very, very well. She improved herself significantly, and I'm gonna say fight starts round 3, but side call, I'm giving slight advantage to Jazz to win.